Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your iPhone as a hotspot. So if your laptop all of a sudden doesn't have a Wi-Fi connection, you could use your iPhone to basically be that quick little internet on the go. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone, and the first thing we want to do is click on the settings option at the very top there. It's going to load up all the settings of your iPhone. Now if you just scroll down just a little bit to this area here where it says like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and things like that, you'll see something that is called Personal Hotspot. Now if you click on Personal Hotspot, what this is going to do is going to allow you to basically use your internet, like your 4G or 5G of your iPhone, and allow other people to connect to that, so that they, like through Wi-Fi, connect to that hotspot and use your 5G to do some internet surfing, right? So in here, you've got several different options, right? Such as allow others to join, which you'd have to have that on in order for you to be broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal that people can connect to. And then there's the Wi-Fi password as well, which you can obviously customize. That's going to be blurred out for the purpose of this video, obviously. So what we would do is we would click on that first option, allowing others to join. We could then click on the Wi-Fi password and change that if we wanted to. You could also scroll down just a little bit to where it says family sharing. So share personal hotspots with members of family, which is great if, by the way, if you have a family setting set up. If not, you can check out a video that I've put out on the channel already. And you can also come down here to maximize compatibility. So internet performance may be reduced for devices connected to your hotspot when turned on. So if we enable this, right, what it's going to do is it's going to connect using Wi-Fi. So people can choose my iPhone to connect to, at least from their Wi-Fi settings, to connect to this device, right? They can also use Bluetooth if they wanted to pair with the iPhone or a computer. And to do that, you just go into your Bluetooth settings and pair that way. You could also use USB-C in this particular case of the iPhone and tether it directly to your computer, and it would also be able to work that way as well. Now, what you'll notice here is if I turn that off for a second, when I have enabled other people to join, it's automatically turned off my Wi-Fi settings. So I'm not connected to Wi-Fi when I have it. For example, if you pay attention to the top right-hand corner, you can see the little Wi-Fi icon. If I turn the allow others to join, it turns my Wi-Fi off and turns it to 5G. Okay, so it just tells you that you cannot use a Wi-Fi yourself, like a Wi-Fi connection, and then try to share your Wi-Fi connection via your iPhone here. Okay, so just bear those things in mind because, you know, it's not necessarily going to be ideal if you're just going to be using your 5G data for large file transfers across multiple people. So just bear in mind there could be some cost implications when it comes to this. But it's great if you do happen to just lose a Wi-Fi connection on the flight and all you have is your iPhone with 5G, and you could potentially just tether it up to your laptop, to your iPad or whatever, and you'll be using internet all over again, although it will be a slightly slower than normal connection. Okay guys, well that is how you would essentially turn your iPhone into a little mini hotspot so that you can stay online when you need it the most. If this worked for you guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.